Okay, this is lesson 2 of Unit 8, and this time we're going to write the equation from the graph or from other pieces of information that we're given in the slope-intercept form. So remember that the equation of the line in the form y equals mx plus b is a straight line with a slope m, and the y-intercept is b. So when we're using this to write the equation, we need to find the slope and the intercept. Okay, so when we're here, so the first example, write the equation of a line passing through the point 0, 2 with slope 5 over 2. So we know that our slope, we know that our slope m is 5 over 2. And our y-intercept is the value when x is 0, so that's just 2. We're given it there, but it just looks a little bit different, but that is just the y-intercept. So our solution here, the equation is y equals 5 over 2x plus 2. Okay? And then in this example, each line on the grid passes through points with integer coordinates, and they want us to find the slope and the intercept from this. So when they say that it passes through points with integer coordinates, that's just telling you don't pick somewhere silly like this point right here, like that point right there. I have no idea what the coordinates of that point are, or coordinates are. But if I pick this one, that's an integer. That's passing through the lattice point. But let's do line 1 first. So I see a point there that crosses at an intersection, a lattice points, and this one here. So my slope, looking at this, is 1, 2, 3 is my rise, and 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Got a little carried away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my rise was 3, my run was 9, and then I just simplify that, reduce it to 1/3. And my y-intercept is, for this line, is right here, so that's -4. So my equation is y equals 1/3 x minus 4. Okay, and then line 2, my slope is going to be negative this time because it's going down, and I'm going to go from, well, the points that I did in my notes were this one here and this one here. So my slope is 1, 2, 3, -3 over 2, -3 over 2, and my y-intercept is 2. So my equation is y equals -3 over 2 x plus 2. Okay? Okay, now we get a little bit trickier. Determine the equation of the following lines. So a line parallel to y equals 1/3 x plus 4. So that means that the slope is going to be 1/3 because that's the information that we can pull out of that. And it has the same y-intercept as this equation, which means that the y-intercept is going to be -7 because that's the y-intercept of that equation. So then our equation is going to be y equals 1/3 x minus 7. And this one is passing through 0, 9. So that's actually our y-intercept. That's b. And perpendicular to the line joining those two. Okay, so our given line has a slope equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that is going to be 0 minus -6 over -5 minus 2. So that is going to be 6 over -7. So that's the slope of the given line, but we need the perpendicular slope, which is going to be 7 over 6. Okay? So our equation is y equals 7 over 6 x plus 9. Okay? So you just have to read the question and figure out what it's looking for. Okay? So there's one more example here, but again, this is using the graphing calculator, so that's not relevant at all to us. So go and do the practice work, questions 1 to 5, and then come back for the next part of the video. Bye.